Hi! In front of me is NOKIA T10, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. Begin by going into Devices Settings and clicking on Notifications right away. Following that, select App Settings at the top. Click on Most Recent, located under App Notifications, and select the best option for you. In my case, all apps. Now you can finally tap on the blue sweater next to an app from which you want to block notifications. Then switch them back on by choosing the same, now grey one. If you wish to, you can also just click on one of your apps, located on the left, and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!